Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of the Kamukunji haul that I am doing, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. So they have this other set here. This comes with the stand. Inakuja na stand yake. Minus the stand, just the cups. Oh, these are wine cups. Ama champagne, whatever you want. Huh? This is a flute glass. It's how much?
This is 2,840.
Okay.
And this one is that is 1,600.
60 says 1,600. If fruit truck, 2,500 for the fruit
so
truck.
This rack here is double. This is double for 2,500. Have a single wheat. That is
2,000 for the single, and that. This is double. That is single. The stand. Oh. Kushikakutu. Well, okay. So they have all these spoons. Is it glasses on those that? The 60 67. Is it? No, that? 6 of them for 500, whichever, I guess. Oh, they have. And then this one's here down.
that is 4,500.
For two. Ama one. One piece 4,500. And that? Huh?
That's
35. Naizila? Each. Each piece 3K for that.
And this is different.
I see that.
Yeah. That 5 is 3,000.
Okay.
Glasses are 500.
Okay.
So have this one and this same price. For that's 1,000. This one is 900. Pieces 700. This one 6 pieces.
Okay. So they also have normal plates. These are the melamine. Isn't it melamine or ceramic? These are melamine. How many for 6?
Different prices are
Ranging from
lowest price that is 1,800.
800 for 6. A dozen of them. And most expensive? 1,400 most expensive. So that's the price range. Hizi mbao hizi ni za wooden. Ile yenye mlikuwa nayo ile expensive hakuna, imeisha. The bamboo one. Should have gotten it then. But ni sawa. Hii set hapa ya wine decanter and the glasses. 3,800. 3,800. 3,800.
No.
2,500. Ooh. How much? There's 6 pieces is 2,800. 2,800 for 6 pieces. It's cute. It's really cute and sleek. They also have iron what? Iron boxes. Yeah. How much? 1,700. They have the hand mixer, blender, whatever. Your hand mixer. How much? 900. So I guess that's it, guys. I think you have all the prices right now. Kila kitu. Oh, one more thing. Sijaonyesha zile dispenser. Mko na hadi cooker. How much? 23,000. 22,500. Na ile rack out of stock was 4,000 out of stock. So yeah. Na ile ni grill. That's a microwave. Guy, you gonna purpose ingine apart from microwave, like grilling? Na ni microwave bado eti. How much?
Oven.
That's an oven, sorry. That's an oven. How much? Oh, there are sizes as well. Okay, let's assume for that one, how much? 45 liters, how much? 13K. And then I've also seen, if you want to start this tea business, these are for you. For you, how much are they? These are this is electric.
Yeah, 10 liters.
And this is manual. 30 liters, 10 liters. Manual 10 liters. Okay.
So this 10 liters is 95.
95.
That is 25 liters, the big one. That is 10,500.
10K 500. Okay. They have the beautiful, oh my goodness, my gold sets. Ziko pia. How much for this set? Like 6 of them? 500. Yeah. Na easy water dispensers. This is the REDBERRY. How much? 6.5. Okay. 6,500. Depends.
Have
13.
that one is 4. This is the big size of this 1,400.
14. Na
Have this one 1,200.
12.
And this one also 1,200.
12. Aka kama ya 4.
In
1,300. Na ile kubwa?
And this one here is 2,000.
2K.
Na ile kubwa pale ni
1,200. So yeah. Guys, that's it. I'm kinda here. Kuna joto huku. It's so hot, but probably because vitu huku ni hotness. Oh, kuna vitu zingine nje. Okay, sawa. Fruit basket. I guess it's you can remove this. You don't need them. How much?
This is
3,800. Ini
This is charging dish.
how much?
This one here.
Single.
This is single, this is double, this is triple. Going for 5,000. Yeah.
For this set.
For the whole set.
The whole set.
Also, the granite here.
Easy.
7,500 unique.
7,500 for 8 of the colors.
Black here.
Same as that. So it's all same. How much is this fruit?
This one 2,500.
2,500. I didn't get the price for that.
That is 55.
5,500 for the
That
3.
is the vegetable.
Yeah, the
and
vegetable
yeah,
wrap.
just 3 layer.
Ni how much?
Yeah, 55.
Kuna 4 ama 5
Kuna kwa na 5 but no.
zimeisha, so they only have the 3 for that price. And this one's here on top.
This one 5,000.
Same as that.
No, because different. That one is
17. 3 pieces, how many pieces are there?
4 pieces.
4 pieces, 17K. 3 pieces plus the pan, 17,000. Wow. Wow.
Tabletop banners.
Yeah,
these they have a glass top. The glass top one is 3,200. And you have this one. Then
yeah, metallic. Yes.
On top. The auto ignition. Yeah.
How much?
For this one is 2,700.
And for this? 3,200.
Yeah, 200.
And for this dispenser?
Dispenser you have, this is dispenser double one.
Yes.
Yeah, this goes for 3,000.
3K for the double.
And this is just dispenser 10 liters.
That what?
10 liters just dispenser.
10 liters juice dispenser.
That goes for 500.
500. So that's it. And again, that's the name of the shop. It's just near the entrance, which is right there. So you come in and you find this shop with 2 entrances. Best Mark Home Appliances. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you subscribe, hope you like, hope you comment down below if you've enjoyed this video. Yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care guys, and God bless you.